Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat 2021. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Snapchat app right here, and once we open our Snapchat app, the next thing we need to do is to click our profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. After that, click Settings on the top left corner. After that, click Bitmoji. After that, you will have a bunch of options to change your Bitmoji. To remove it, all we have to do is to click Unlink My Bitmoji on the bottom of the screen. After that, click Remove and you are now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.